Hello, everyone. Yeah, I'm here to talk about classless interdomain routing. Okay, classless interdomain routing is the process in which you design your address space in such a way that it will suit a particular number of users in one department without IP address wastage. Okay, you design in such a way. Let's say we have about an IP address, let's say class C IP address, you assign one here and assign one here. A class C IP address contain about 254 valid hosts. When you put one in this link, put one in this link because this link need two valid IP addresses. So putting one here and one here means that you will not assign that IP address space to any other network. Okay? And what have you just done? You have succeeded in wasting that IP address space. You have wasted about 252 valid hosts. So you design this link that requires just two IP addresses in such a way that that address space just contains two addresses because there is no growth here. You just need two IP addresses. This is a network. It's a subnet that requires just two IP addresses. Okay. Now look at this network structure now. Okay. We have this VLAN 10 marketing VLAN and we have 6 users in marketing VLAN. So when you don't need to use a particular class-wide IP address that contain so many IP addresses and you assign it here, which means you have wasted IP address. You need to design an IP address that suits this, maybe IP address that contains about 14 hosts. So by the time you assign 6 hosts, we still have some hosts for growth, available IP addresses for growth, future growth. Okay. So when more number of users are added here, so those IP addresses will be used assigned to their systems. Okay. So now we have 10 here and we have 20 here. So now let's go ahead and design our IP address space in such a way that it will, contain this. Okay. It will be enough for this. And you start from zero. If we need to start from this, the largest a network with the largest number of users. Okay, so you start with your address, you start from zero. Okay, now 64. Remember, this 64 block size contain about 62 valid host IP addresses, and when you assign 50, we still have 12 IP addresses left for future growth. That is for enough space. Okay, it suits this user. So using about 254 host addresses, the address that contain about 254 hosts to assign here, no, that's not, it's not a good practice. You have wasted some IP addresses. We need about just 50 users. You need to assign at least an address that contains about, 62 valid hosts. Then we come here, we start, this is the next, okay? So we need to do this and so give this an IP address space that, you know, consists of 30 valid hosts. When you assign 20, we still have 10 left for growth. And by doing that, what we need to do, we include a, you know, a 32 block size to this network, 64 plus 32. This is 32 here, 6, that's 92. You put 92 here. Okay, you put 92. Now you come, this is 10. Let's assign this IP address, in such a way that we have about 16 or 14 valid hosts. And we assign 10, we still have 4 for growth. Okay, what do you need to do? That is 96 plus 16. Okay, plus 16, that is this is 8, this is 10, that's 108, 108. Okay, so let's come here, this 8, or let's say 16. Okay, 108 plus 16 plus 16. Okay, this is 14. Okay, 2, 2, that is 224. Okay, 224, 224 plus 4. Block size of this, we need to put the block size of 4. 224, that is 228. Okay, sorry, I don't have enough space here. Okay, or should I do it here? 064 92 108 224 and 228. So we start from here. This is 1. Okay, this is 65, the first valid on each one. Okay, 109 225 and 229. Now you come here. Okay, 62. Okay, 62, 90, 106, 222, 226. Okay, so when you come here, there is 63, the broadcast address. The next subnet here is 64, and this is 191, 91, and this is 107, and this is 223 broadcast addresses. This is 227. So at the end, our last IP address, you can see 225 and 226. There's a 2, which means we have this IP address here, 192.168.50. What? 225, then 192.168.50.226 for these two links. Finish. These two IP addresses here. So you come here, These 50 users here is this 50 users is this now this IP address 192.168.50.0/26. That's 26 bit. Look at this prefix notation here. Okay, this is the subnet mask 192. See it? Then now this 20 here is this. Okay, on this network 192.168.50.64 slash what 27 notation, which the subnet max is this 55.255. 224. Okay, that is for the 30 users here. Okay, now 10 users is which one? This. Okay, we come here 192.168.50. What 92 slash what slash 28. Yes, 28 bit, which this is 225, 255.255.255.240. You can see different subnet mask. Okay, that is why it is called in classless interdomain routing, or you call it supernetting or variable length subnet masking. Okay, so now the 6 users here, the 6 user is also, this. I use a slash of 16. Okay, so this here 108 on network 108, right? On network 108, 192.168.50.108 slash 28. Okay, 255, 255.255.240. Remember, do not forget that I just wrote this. This is 28 bit, which is the same as this. Okay, so this is classless interdomain routing, and in my two networks, this is it 192.168.50. What 224 which is 255.255.255.252. Okay, you can see it here. Let's clean this. Let's clean this. Okay, this is our 32 users for here. That is for VLAN production, VLAN 30, VLAN 30. Okay, this is for, yes, this is for what? This, the HR VLAN, that is VLAN 20. Okay, VLAN 20. And this is for which VLAN? That is the remote site, which contains about 50 users. This is the IP addressing space that I'm going to use on it. So our link here is this, and this is also 240, which is this for VLAN 10. VLAN 10. Okay. So now the first usable IP address here on VLAN 10 is this, is 109. Okay, and the first usable IP address in VLAN, let's say in VLAN 20 is 93. The first usable IP address in this VLAN is 65. The first usable IP address this remote site is 1. If you like this video, do not hesitate to share, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.